Hello class, good afternoon. So class, this is your English class, video class of English, and in this class I will tell you what you have to write in the new word section for this lesson. This is Nipun learns a lesson. Now by and by I will read the story and I will tell you to write the new words. Okay? So take out your notebooks. Put classwork chapter 3, Nipun learns a lesson, the new words. So this story is about a boy, Nipun, who is fond of eating fast food, junk food, french fries, pizza, burger, cheese, butter, ice cream, chocolates. Only these food he likes. सिर्फ यही सारी चीज़ें जो हैं उसे खाना बहुत पसंद है. And his mother is very worried. Why she is worried? Because he is not ready to listen to her. She is making him understand many times, but he doesn't hear. Okay? So this is the lesson about Nipun, and at last in the story he gets a lesson. उसे एक सबक मिलता है that जो ममा कह रही है वो सही है. Now when I read the story, you will get to know it. Now let's start the story. Here in the story, a boy, Nipun, is seated at a dining table. He is making a loud noise with fork and knife. एक boy है Nipun जो dining table पे बैठा हुआ है and he is making sound with fork and knife. So the words to be written in the new words is dining, D-I N-I-N-G, dining. He is making sound, therefore F-O-R-K, fork, and K-N-I-F-E, knife. Now why he is making sound with fork and knife? Because he is too hungry. He is too hungry. Mom, hurry up, I'm hungry. How long will I need to wait? The mother said, what will you have for breakfast, Nipun? Now mom is asking that what he wants to eat in breakfast. B-R-E-A-K, break, F-A-S-T, fast. Then Nipun is saying bread with lots of butter and cheese, a large burger. क्या मांगता है? ब्रेड पे बहुत सारा चीज और बटर लगा के दो और एक बहुत बड़ा बर्गर चाहिए उसको. Bread with lots of butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter and cheese. With lots of a bread with lots of butter and cheese and a large burger. He wants burger too, that too for breakfast. Then what happened? And some french fries. And again he is asking that he wants some french fries too. But you had the same for lunch and dinner yesterday, Nipun. मम्मी ने कहा कि यही तो तुमने lunch और dinner में भी खाया था कल. So the new words are lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch. That means meal that we have in the afternoon. And dinner, D-I-N-N-E-R. What do you mean by dinner? The meal that we have at night. And she is saying that you had it yesterday. What is yesterday? What is yesterday? Yesterday means the day that has passed. बीते हुए कल को yesterday कहा जाता है. So you have to write all these words: dining, fork, knife, breakfast, butter, cheese, burger, lunch, dinner, yesterday. Now, but Nipun is saying, I will have fries and burgers only and ice cream. अब निपुण कह रहा है कि मुझे तो सिर्फ बर्गर्स, फ्राइज और आइसक्रीम ही चाहिए. Here Nipun loves cheese. He eats cheese and sandwiches for breakfast. He eats cheeseburgers for lunch and dinner. He snacks on ice creams and chocolates. Nipun is so engrossed, मतलब इतना खोया हुआ है वो फास्ट फूड आइटम्स में कि जब स्नैक्स का भी टाइम होता है, स्नैक्स का मतलब क्या होता है? लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट, lunch and dinner are the main meals of the day. Snack is also a meal time. जब थोड़ी सी भूख होती है और हम खाना खाते हैं, खाना इन द सेंस जब थोड़ी सी भूख होती है हम नाश्ता करते हैं, isn't it? That is known as snacks. And what are the kind of snacks we have? जब हम थोड़ा सा कुछ खा लेते हैं छोटी सी भूख मिटाने के लिए, that is known as snacks. And at the time of snacks also, Nipun wants ice cream and chocolates. So the next word is snacks. N-S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. That meal that is eaten for a small hunger. छोटी सी भूख मिटाने के लिए जो खाया जाता है वो snacks होता है. ठीक है? Now the next is like we have biscuit and tea in the evening time. That is the snacks time. Nipun mother is really worried. Nipun is not ready to listen to her. She is worried about his habit of him, but he is not bothered at all. उसे पता ही नहीं है कि जो वो खा रहा है वो गलत है. It is not good for his body. But मम्मा समझाती जा रही है और वो समझना नहीं चाहता. Nipun is saying, no way mom, I love cheese, I will not eat anything. मम्मी ने फिर समझाया, Nipun please understand that it is important to eat a balanced meal. अब मम्मा ने समझाया कि it is important to eat a balanced meal. Write the spelling first, then I will tell you the meaning of balanced meal. B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D, balanced. M-E-A-L, meal, balanced meal. Now understand what is a balanced meal. A balanced meal is a quantity and a variety of food needed for good health. हम खाना क्यों खाते हैं? Of course, हम खाना अपनी बॉडी को ग्रो करने के लिए खाते हैं, isn't it? To keep our body healthy, fit and strong, we eat food. हमारा फूड कैसा होना चाहिए? हमारा फूड ऐसा होना चाहिए कि हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि हमें कब कितना और क्या खाना है ताकि वो हमारी बॉडी में हमारी बॉडी को स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड फिट बना सके. So that kind of meal which has variety and a fixed quantity of food is called balanced meal. ठीक है? हमारे खाने में वो सब होना चाहिए जो हमारी बॉडी के लिए अच्छी है. We should eat the things which is good for our health. That kind of meal is known as balanced meal. Okay? Now what happens? But he is not ready to listen to it. उसकी मम्मी ने ये भी कह दिया कि फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स खाओ, उससे विटामिन्स मिलेंगी, तुम स्ट्रॉन्ग रहोगे और वो तुम्हारी डिजीजेस से फाइट करने में मदद करेंगी. Mama told that if you will eat good, you will be fit and fine and your body will be able to fight with diseases. What is diseases? Diseases means बीमारियां. अगर अच्छा खाओगे, स्वस्थ रहोगे और बॉडी आपकी रेडी रहेगी एनी टाइम डिजीजेस से लड़ने के लिए. DISEASES, diseases. But then also Nipun is saying I don't like fruits and vegetables because they are not tasty. For Nipun, fruits and vegetables are not tasty. That's why he doesn't want to eat them. Now, what happened? ऐसे ही चलता रहा. After a few months, one day when Nipun was wearing a shirt out of the cupboard, जैसे ही उसने शर्ट पहनी, हर एक बटन पॉप करके बाहर हो गया. Now for Nipun it was so shocking. Oh no, my shirt has shrunk. It is so shocking. And what about my निपुण को पता चला कि मेरी जो शर्ट है वो श्रंक हो गई है। श्रंक का मतलब होता है छोटा हो जाना, SHRUNK, श्रंक। His shirts are shrunk, उसके शर्ट्स छोटे हो गए थे एंड ट्राउजर्स भी छोटे हो गए थे। बट पते की बात क्या थी पता है, उसके शर्ट्स एंड ट्राउजर्स छोटे नहीं हुए थे, वो बड़ा हो गया था। दैट्स व्हाई उसकी शर्ट और उसके ट्राउजर्स छोटे हो गए थे। एंड व्हाट अबाउट माय ट्राउजर्स? ओह नो, माय ट्राउजर्स हैव श्रंक टू, लेट मी ट्राई माय क्लोथ्स। और उसके बाद उसने क्या किया, बाकी सारे क्लोथ्स ट्राई करना शुरू किया और one by one he tries each and every shirt from the cupboard, and for his surprise every shirt was shrunk for him. उसके लिए सारे shirts shrunk हो चुके थे। Oh no, all my clothes are shrunk, what should I do? Mother hears Nipun crying, so she quickly walks into the bedroom. जब मम्मी ने देखा कि ये निपुण को हुआ क्या है, why she is crying like anything, तब मम्मा जो है निपुण के रूम में आती है और कहती है कि why are you crying? Why are all your clothes on the floor? आपने सारे क्लोथ्स फ्लोर पे बिखरा के क्यों रखे हुए हो? तब निपुण कहता है oh no mama, it's so awful. Awful का मतलब होता है very bad, it is extremely bad that all my shirts are shrunk. Here Nipun is very sad कि उसके सारे कपड़े छोटे हो गए हैं। मदर ने कहा I think I know what we can do to unshrink them. अब जो ये shrunk हो गया है, मामा कहती है कि मेरे पास एक आइडिया है जिससे आप ये सारे shrunk कपड़ों को unshrunk कर सकते हो। का मतलब है जो तुम्हारे कपड़े छोटे हो गए हैं उन्हें तो बड़ा कर सकते हो। And she has got the idea. हाँ, Nipun, you must begin eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, bread, milk, eggs, fish and chicken. तब निपुण को समझ में आया और उसने कहा Okay mom, today I will have soup with mixed vegetable and fruits salad for dinner. From now onwards, I will eat only healthy food. और यहाँ पर उसने कहा कि आज मैं सूप लूँगा। Okay, soup is very healthy for our health. Do you know? SOUP, soup. Today I will have soup और इसके बाद से मैं हमेशा healthy food consume करूँगा। And in a short time, Nipun is fit to wear his clothes again. और मम्मा की बात सुनकर जो निपुण ने एक लेसन सीखा था कि हमें हेल्दी फूड खाना चाहिए तो हमारी बॉडी फिट भी रहती है और हेल्दी भी रहती है, मम्मा की बात सुनी और उसके कपड़े सच में अनश्रंक हो गए, है ना। पहले कपड़े छोटे हो गए थे क्योंकि निपुण बड़ा हो गया था, है ना। अब जब निपुण शेप में आ गया, फिट हो गया, तो उसके कपड़े भी फिट हो गए। सो दिस इज द क्लास, these are the new words that you should write in your notebook. Okay class, so this is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.